In this video, we're looking at an introduction to linear relationships. We're starting with an input and an output table. When you put the number 2 into my machine, out pops 10. Can you figure out what the machine is doing? If you have a guess, let's try the next input of 7. 7 goes into the machine and out pops 35. Does this guess match with what you got for the first guess? If you look at the relationship between the input and the output, hopefully you noticed that the input is multiplied by 5 to create the output. So we say that the input equals the input times 5. We call this number the multiplier. Let's try another example. 3 goes into my machine and 12 pops out. Do you have a guess? Output equals input times what number? 5 goes in, 20 comes out. Do you have a guess? Hopefully you guessed that the multiplier is 4 because 3 goes in, it's multiplied by 4, and 12 comes out. 5 goes in times 4, 20 pops out. 11 times 4 is 44. So here, the rule is that the output equals the input times 4. Now, some of these values are easier than others to use in terms of figuring out the rule. So some of the points are better than others. So in the first table, what you'll notice is when there's only a multiplier, if you know that the input of 1 gives an output of 5, you know that the multiplier has to be 5. Also, if you look at the input of 0 and the output is also 0, you know that there is only this part of the rule, just a multiplier,